InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera. For orders, please check video description. 50% discount. This is the actual price, $478 US. After 50% discount, this is the discount price, $239 US. This is the video you must watch. InfiRay P2 Pro, minus 20 degrees centigrade to 550 degrees centigrade temperature range. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Empowering features and resolutions, temperature, focal length, okay, and versatile applications, circuit repair, car repair, biological sensing, electric heater inspections, all about very good. 25 Hz versus 20 Hz. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Wild animal detections, automotive inspections, cylinder inspections, insulations inspections, water leak. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. House inspections and 420 sold, 78 reviews. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.